Good day everyone, in this video I will show you how to do LCD check on this watch Casio AQ800E and also how to do the alarm sound check. Okay, first for the LCD check, you need to press and hold both buttons, adjust and mode, and the trick is to press and hold the adjust button and then quickly press and hold the mode button. So like this and then this. So now we can see the LCD check screen. And then to cycle to the next check screen, we can press this button, the mode button. Okay, and then press again, next, press again, and once more, it returns to the timekeeping mode. And then next, for the alarm sound check, you can press and hold the mode button on the timekeeping mode. So like this. And it will give the beeping sound. Okay, and yeah, it will shift the mode to this one, the calendar, so we need to press several times to return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, that's all for the two tips for this watch Casio AQ800E. Hopefully this is useful and thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.